Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? Today we're gonna open up my FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Before we open up the box though, I am going to show you the best and worst products that I opened up for my fall 2020, what do you call that? FabFitFun box. I'm going to start with the worst product. The worst product I had experienced is the Laundress crease release. As you can tell, I used about this much, but from the directions that I got, it was just not working at all. I tried so many different tops. I had a silk top, a cotton top, and not a polyester, a rayon top that I tried this on. Didn't work. So I would say save your money. It does, however, offer nice smell. So if something like you go to a restaurant and your outfit smells like whatever it is, food, or you've been to like a party and somebody was smoking, you can spray this on your dry clean only dress and it will take away that smell. So you don't have to go to the dry cleaners. Not that we're going to any parties, anywhere, anyway, but some people do. Now the best product was the Vitamasks multivitamin mask. I have to say, this really worked. Without further ado, let's open up the Winter 2020 FabFitFun box. So I'm going to start with the add-ons, since those aren't really a surprise for me. The first add-on is the Erno Lazo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. This is one of the best detoxifying masks I have used. I really, really like it, so I ordered some more. And as you know, when you order through FabFitFun, you get a huge discount. And of course, I got 2 Spongel body wash infused buffers. One is the Honey Blossom scent, and the other one is Sugar Dahlia. But they smell nice. The next thing I got was the Perricone High Potency Class 6 Face Firming Serum. I have never tried this product, but it got great reviews, so for the deal I got, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try that. We all need a little firming now and then. And the last thing I got was the Zoe Isla Silicone Makeup Brush Cleansing Rubber Pad, which I was, watching some videos and people were using these and it helps clean your makeup brushes very well. So I'm gonna try it. All right, now for the fun stuff. Of course, you get your lovely magazine. Oh, Katie Couric is on the cover. I think she's great. Hello Fresh, America's #1 meal kit, 9 free meals. Okay. Add a little sparkle to your shine, $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Okay, so I'm gonna pass this along to somebody. HBO Max, daily vitamins and supplements, Nourish. There's a lot of coupons this time around. Oh, a FabFitFun sticker. I don't know what I will do with that. And then Discover Wine You Love, Feeling Lucky, scratch off to see your credit. They're good gift ideas. If you don't know what to get someone, I mean, it's not the only gift they'll get, but it could be one. Oh! Scrunchies. So back in the day, I used to have about 50 scrunchies, any color, any fabric. And then when they were out, I was like, ugh, I don't need them anymore. And now they're all back in style, and I wish I had kept them all because I had some really cool scrunchies. But these are animal print. We'll see. Not a big fan of animal print. Those aren't too bad though. All right, the next product in here is let me open it up first. The Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice 12 eyeshadow palette. Ew, how lovely. Let's see if I can open it. All right, I'm just gonna tear the box open. Jeez. Ew, what a nice packaging. Oh, these are really pretty colors. All right, the next thing, there's so much stuff in here. It's exciting. Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. I've never heard of this brand. God, all these things are hard to open. It is quite orange. I don't think that's gonna be a good color for me, so I'm gonna put this in a grab bag, which I will create a nice little pack of fun things to give away, and I will do a giveaway in a few weeks, and a lucky winner is gonna win everything in that grab bag. All right, what is this? Oh, a makeup bag. It's nice. I like the quilting and it feels nice and soft. Oh, it's Vera Bradley. I've never owned anything from Vera Bradley before, but this is really cute. Look at the inside. It opens up here. Oh, how adorable is this? This is so cute. Huh, I like it. I can put my eyeshadow in there. Next is Wish Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates. You know, I've been thinking about getting one of these and I didn't know it was gonna come in this box, so it's exciting to see this now because now I can try it and see what it does for me. This bag is not a toy. I was thinking I should play with it, but okay, I won't. Uh-oh. Is this wool? Lucky Brand, Los Angeles. The price on this is $69.50, so you know, I already got my money's worth. Oh, it's a scarf. Okay, I need to know what the material is because I am very allergic to anything wool. No, it's not. It's polyester acrylic, which is not good for the environment. However, I can't wear wool. This is really nice. Check it out. Ooh. Oh, these look fun. Mucklucks. Wear your way of life. These are slippers, I think. I hear them keep people warm, but what is the material on this too? I need to know. It's 100% acrylic, so it's not gonna itch. These are cute. They have like little pom-poms. Very cute. A kind bar. I mean, if you want to see it. And then, oh, check this out. A cutting board. A set of 4 cutting boards. Well, this is convenient. They're very thin. Oh, this one has like meat on it. This one has, oh wait, that's red meat. This is chicken. And chickens get their very own cutting board. Seafood, vegetables. Huh. And that's all, folks. Let me know what you think in the comments about all the things I got. The cutting boards are dishwasher safe, which is great because I do not like ruining my hands. I do wear gloves when I wash dishes, but still, I'm gonna cut some vegetables. So what do you think, guys? I got 4 cutting boards, a pair of mucklucks, eyeshadow palette, a blush I'm not keeping, a really nice soft bag, Wish lip scrub, a kind bar, this lovely scarf, a set of 3 animal print scrunchies, and then on top of that, to add on, I got this to clean my brushes, face mask, mask for the face firming serum, and some Spongel sponges. I really like this bag. I mean, it's not like we're going anywhere right now, but I could use it in the future for when we travel again. But it's really nice. I'm afraid like one of my daughters might steal it from me, so I'm gonna have to hide it from them. I'm not sure about this blush. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in a grab bag for a giveaway because orange is not a good color for me. As far as these are concerned, I might put this scrunchie in the grab bag only because it's just not me. These two go very well with my colors that I use. Don't know if, ooh, oh, yes, I do like these. They're very soft. It would have to be very cold though for me to have to wear these. Maybe if I go up north in the winter somewhere one day, hopefully soon. Love the colors in this. I don't know if I have any use for more cutting boards, but my husband might have a different opinion about it. We'll see. He does a lot of cooking too. So yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and really appreciate you guys coming here to open this box with me. And if you would like to subscribe to FabFitFunbox, I will leave my link down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, I can't open this thing. Forget it.